Now let's move on to actually create the customer list for our retargeting campaigns. So we're back here on our dashboard for Facebook Ad Manager, and what we're going to do now is click on Tools and Audiences, and this will bring us to this page where you have all the different options to come up with different audiences. For this video, we're going to use custom audiences and click on custom audience here, and you have these different options: customer list, website traffic, app activity, and this is essentially all the different options you can use to upload or create your customer list. But for pixel based one, we're gonna choose website traffic, and actually in the next video we're gonna work on using the customer list that you may already have. So let's click on website traffic now, and what you see here is the pixel that we created together, and this shows a red light because the pixel hasn't been fully uploaded on my server yet, but once you install the pixel properly, this will show green light. And here on the website traffic, you can choose anyone who visits your website, or you can try to specify any kind of particular page that you want to track. So if you click on the second option, which is people who visit specific web pages, you can type in any kind of page that you want to track. So for the Grocery Now exercise, I can type in my URL, and if it's an index page that you want to track, you can type in index.html, and that's pretty much it. But otherwise, if you want to come up with different combinations of creating customer lists, you can even choose a third option, which is people visiting specific web pages but not others. So if you want to exclude anyone who's actually bought any kind of product that you want to sell, you can type in the purchased page, and this will help you exclude those specific users from getting your retargeting campaigns with this customer list. So that's how you can set up different combinations. You can also choose to target people who haven't visited in a certain amount of time. But for this exercise, let's choose anyone who visits your website. This will be essentially everyone who comes to your website in the specific time period, and I would usually try to have a wider time frame just to have a large enough audience, and I'll put 180 days, which is the maximum date you can have on Facebook. And you type in audience name. For this exercise, let's just type in all visitors, and well, maybe say 180 days, and create audience. Boom, click on OK, and now we have our first customer list, which will be automatically populated every time the pixel is fired on your website. But again, this says that my pixel is not installed. Obviously, I haven't uploaded the code yet, but if you want to create multiple audiences, you can repeat this process by clicking on create audience, create custom audience, and you can again go through this process and maybe specify different time period or different combinations of audiences, and that way you can come up with a better target audience with more specificity. We have just created our first customer list based on Facebook Pixel. This is awesome. And in the next video, we're gonna see how we can create customer list using your own email list or phone numbers. And thank you for watching.